Hello everyone. Let's get into the cooking of a simple and flavorful cabbage, carrot and beetroot thoran recipe, which is my own style, a classic combination of Kerala thoran and Tamilnadu Poriyal. Start by heating a pan. Add coconut oil and let it heat up. Splutter mustard seeds, urad dal, cumin seeds, chopped garlic, green chili and curry leaves. Fry until it changes color and turns aromatic. Add chopped onions and fry for half a minute. Grate carrot, beetroot and chop the cabbage. Keep everything ready before cooking. Add the prepared vegetables to the pan. Add salt, chili powder and turmeric powder. Mix everything and fry for a minute on high heat. Pour in water, cover and cook on a medium heat for 5 to 10 minutes or until the vegetables are tender. Open and mix once. Let any remaining water dry. Lastly, add grated coconut and mix well. Heat for another half a minute before turning off. Our colorful and healthy stir fry is ready to be served. Check for other interesting Poriyal and Thoran recipes in the description below. Thanks for watching.